Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unique Teach. If you've watched part 1, congratulations. You've already learned the first 15 most common English words. Today, we're going to continue our journey by learning words 16 to 40. Remember, these aren't just random words. These are the words you hear every day in conversations, movies, TV shows, books. Don't just listen. Repeat every word after me and try to make your own sentences. Ready? Let's begin. Word 16. Know. Know means to have information or understand something. Examples. I know your name. Do you know the answer? She knows how to drive. Repeat after me. Know. Word 17. Take. Take means to carry, receive, or move something. Examples. Take this book. I take the bus every day. Please take your time. Repeat. Take. Word 18. See. See means to use your eyes or understand something. Examples. I can see a bird. See you tomorrow. I see what you mean. Repeat. See. Word 19. Come. Come means to move towards someone. Examples. Come here. Please come with me. My friend will come tomorrow. Repeat. Come. Word 20. Think. Think your mind or have an opinion. Examples. I think you're right. What do you think? Think before you act. Repeat. Think. Word 21. Look. Look means to direct your eyes toward something. Examples. Look at the sky. You look tired. Look carefully. Repeat. Look. Word 22. Want. Want means to wish for something. Examples. I want a glass of water. She wants to study abroad. What do you want? Repeat. Want. Word 23. Give. Give means to hand something to another person. Examples. Give me your phone. My parents give me advice. Never give up. Repeat. Give. Word 24. Use. Use means to do something with an object. Examples. I use my laptop every day. We use English to communicate. Can I use your pen? Repeat. Use. Word 25. Find. Find means to discover something. Examples. I can't find my wallet. Did you find the answer? You'll find many friends here. Repeat. Find. Word 26. Tell. Tell means to give information. Examples. Tell me the truth. Can you tell me your name? My teacher told us a story. Repeat. Tell. Word 27. Work means to do a job or activity. Examples. I work every day. This machine works well. Hard work brings success. Repeat. Work. Word 29. Call. Call means to phone someone or give a name. Examples. Call me tonight. My friends call me Alex. I'll call you later. Repeat. Call. Word 30. Try. Try means to make an effort. Examples. Try again. I'll try my best. Just try it. Repeat. Try.
Word 31. Need means something is necessary. Examples. I need your help. We need more time. You need practice. Repeat. Need. Word 32. Feel means to experience an emotion or sensation. Examples. I feel happy. She feels tired. How do you feel today? Repeat. Feel. Word 33. Become means to change into something. Examples. He became a doctor. I want to become fluent in English. She became famous. Repeat. Become. Word 34. Leave means to go away from a place. Examples. I leave home at 8 a.m. Don't leave your bag here. They left early. Repeat. Leave. Word 35. Put means to place something somewhere. Examples. Put the book on the table. Please put your phone away. She put the keys in her bag. Repeat. Put. Word 36. Mean explains the meaning of something. Examples. What does this word mean? I didn't mean to hurt you. What do you mean? Repeat. Mean. Word 37. Keep means to continue or hold something. Examples. Keep smiling. Keep your promise. Keep learning every day. Repeat. Keep. Word 38. Begin means to start. Examples. Let's begin. The class begins at 10. Begin with small steps. Repeat. Begin. Word 39. Help means to assist someone. Examples. Can you help me? My brother helped me. Helping others is a good habit. Repeat. Help. Word 40. Talk means to speak with someone. Examples. Let's talk. We talked for an hour. I want to talk to you. Repeat. Talk. Ending. Excellent. Today you've learned words 16 to 40 from the 1,000 most common English words. Don't just watch this lesson once. Go back, repeat every word, and make your own sentences. That's how you'll remember them for a long time. In part 3, we'll continue with words 41 to 60, where you'll learn even more useful words that native English speakers use every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unique Teach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning.